My name is Alex Zugazagoitia. I'm a senior Chinese machinist and I love cars. So the car that I bought is a 1991 Honda Civic. It's a 1.5 liter DX model and it was $500. It was in rough shape, but mechanically wise it was good. To get it drivable we needed to do a few things. The battery was obviously dead, so I got a new battery. We did a head gasket. It constitutes taking the valve cover off, taking the head of the engine off, and then getting basically to the pistons, which was quite a process, but you know, we managed to do it and it wasn't too bad. For $88, I got a whole gasket set, so it came with, you know, basically every gasket this car's got. So I bought the car knowing that it needed a head gasket because A, 500 bucks, so you know what, it's not that expensive. And secondly, I wanted something that I could drive every day, you know, fit 4 people in and not have to worry about it, and not have to drive a race car that gets 16 miles to the gallon on premium fuel. As well as, you know, if I wanted to deliver pizzas or something like that, I can do that in this car.